Hey, you thinking about starting a YouTube channel? This message is for you. Because starting a YouTube channel right now could be the best thing that ever happened in your life. Trust me on this. Because you know you got a story, you know you got a message, but there's something's causing you to not even press a record button. But in this video, I'm gonna share with you 3 reasons why you should start a YouTube channel, and I'm gonna give you some solutions to how to make it as simple as possible so you can get on YouTube and share your message. So let's get into it. And you might be wondering why I'm so passionate about this. I'm passionate about this because last year, at the age of 55, I did something crazy. I did something that I wasn't really sure that it was going to work, but it worked. I pressed the record button and uploaded the first video, and I was like, wow, it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. I just took my phone, pressed the record, and just welcomed you to the Motiion community, where we hope you grow your channel as you grow your life. And if you grow your life, your channel got no other reason not to grow. It didn't go as smooth as that, but I did it. And since I did it, I know you can do it too. Because if you believe that you got a message, you believe you got a story, you can share that story and share that message to the whole world. But before I tell you why you should, let's talk about why most people don't. Most people don't even get the opportunity to go on YouTube because they're afraid. They think people don't care about what they have to say. They think that they're too old. They think that they can't understand this technology on YouTube. What's the algorithm? What's the analytics and all this stuff? They get overwhelmed, they get afraid, and they just quit. They just convinced that YouTube is not for them. It's for these young kids out there. But I'm here to tell you, YouTube is for anybody who has a message that wants to share that message, because you have a story. Since you have a story, you got a message for the whole world to experience. Because I tell everybody, you have people assigned to you. And if you got people assigned to you, speak to those people. Because if you speak to those people will resonate with you. Here's what most people don't realize. YouTube is not just for entertainment. Yeah, we got sports channels. Yeah, we got entertainment channels talking about gossip, talking about politics, talking about all this stuff. But YouTube isn't just about entertainment. YouTube is a legacy platform. Because once you put these videos up, the only way it can be taken down is YouTube take it down, and they're not going to take it down as long as you follow the policies, but you can take it down. But if you don't take it down, it's going to stay up there forever. And it's your voice. It's how you want your voice to be portrayed. It's how you want your voice to be heard. It's your voice, and it lives beyond you. Don't you know, since YouTube came into existence, those first videos that was posted on YouTube is still up there right now. Over 10 years ago, those videos are still up there right now. Go check it out. Go check out the first YouTube video that was ever posted. You'll see what it is. Those people between the age of 45 to 65, that age group is the fastest growing audience in YouTube. And I'm talking to those people that's my age right now. That's the fastest growing segment of YouTube right now. That's for content creators and content consumers. But the content creators, my age group, we jumping on YouTube. And I want you to get on YouTube. No matter what age you are right now, you need to get on YouTube because it can be the best decision you made in your life. So you might be asking, how do I get started? Even if I'm not tech savvy, how do I get started? Even if I don't have a camera, how can I get started? I'm glad you asked. Because it's so simple for you to get started on YouTube. It's easier than ever. Because back in the days, you needed a camera, you needed a microphone, you needed the lighting, you need everything that's costing money. Cameras over $1,000, the lighting almost $200-$300, a microphone $400 or $500. I mean, you had to come out your pocket to get on YouTube if you didn't have the equipment already. But it's so simple right now. I'm gonna give you the 3 ways you can get on YouTube easy, fast, and in a hurry. Step 1 is so simple, and your phone is enough. Like I tell my friends and family, what you got in your hand, Moses? What you mean what I got in my hand? What you got in your hand, Moses? I got my phone. Use your phone. How do I use my phone? Do I need a microphone? Your phone is a microphone. But don't I need a camera? Your phone is a camera in there. Some of these phones and cameras in these phones is better than the cameras that you buy in the store. 25 pixels and 15 pixels and all that stuff. I'm not too tech savvy, but I'm recording on my phone right now. See how clear it is? You see the background? I could blur the background out, but I'm gonna do that when I finish editing this, because I like to speak off the cuff, real information that you can apply to your life. And I'm talking to you on my phone with my microphone, with my front-facing camera. That's how simple it is. Use your phone. Step 1. Step 2, share what you know. When you share what you know what you're sharing. You don't gotta read no script. You don't gotta sit back and say what I'm gonna talk about. No, talk about what you wanna talk about. Because when you talk about what you wanna talk about and you lived it, nobody can tell you you're wrong. Nobody can tell you what you're talking about, Willis. I'm talking about my life. Why are you saying it like that? Because that's my experience. I talk to people like I'm talking to you. This is my life, this is my experience, and I'm sharing with you why it's the best time for you to get on YouTube right now. And step number 3, this is the most important step. We already talked about step number 1, use your phone. You have the equipment in your hand. Step number 2 is know what you want to talk about. Talk about your life. Talk about your experiences. Talk about everything that you want to talk about from your heart, because you got people assigned to you. And number 3, most important, you have to be consistent. Yeah, you got to be consistent. Be consistent on getting better. Because if you're not consistent, people are not going to watch your videos. They might see your video today, they might see your video 2 months from now. They're going to like, oh, well, you just putting videos up every once in a while. But if you're consistent, you have a time schedule, you putting these videos out, that's going to make everything more smooth in your content creator's journey. Be consistent. Make sure you making the best videos that you can. Be consistent. Make sure you got great titles. Be consistent. Make sure you got those videos edited the best that you can. And you get 1% better every day. After 100 days, you're going to be 100% better than when you first started. Because one video a week is all it takes to gain momentum. You know, when a snowball goes down a hill, it just takes one push and that snowball starts growing, growing, growing. You just need one video a week. Some people say you got to do 2, 4, 5 videos a week. No, start with one video a week. Shoot that video. Talk what you want to talk about. And be consistent on releasing one video each week. And once you start, here's what the future could look like for you. Imagine people all across the world watching your videos, saying thank you for putting that video out. Thank you for letting me know I'm not the only one who went through that bankruptcy. Thank you for letting me know that I'm not alone. That alone will cause you to gain more momentum by knowing that you're helping people, that people are paying attention to you, paying attention to your wisdom, paying attention to your knowledge, paying attention to your heart, because you're sharing your wisdom from your heart, which is exactly why I created a simple next step for you. Comment "I'm ready" in the comment section so I know that you're ready to go to the next step by receiving a free YouTube Ignition Guide. And what's the Ignition Guide? The Ignition Guide is to get you started on this YouTube content creator's journey, because I know you want to get on YouTube, but something's stopping you, and I can help you get started. Now, in case you're still doubting yourself, thinking that you can't get on YouTube, you're not too late. You're right on time. In fact, with your age, you have an advantage. The world desperately needs people who have wisdom, who have knowledge, who have understanding of the knowledge that they have, because the bridge between wisdom and knowledge is understanding. And if you got understanding on how to do something, how to come out of a situation, you have people waiting to hear your voice. And the more wisdom that you have and the more real that you are, your voice will carry to places you can never even imagine. So let me leave you with this final thought. There's a famous quote out there that says, the richest place in the world is not the bank, it's not Fort Knox, it's the grave. Because so many dreams have been left in the grave and it died with the person who had that dream. But I'm here to tell you something. I don't agree with that. I agree with the richest place in the world is in your heart. Because those dreams that you have, the visions that you have it in your heart. And if you act upon that, you will have so much riches, so much wealth, so much prosperity, because prosperity is not money. It's about helping people come out of their situation that they're in so they can create a life worth living instead of living a life of survival. And you have that place inside of you, living and breathing. And if you have it inside of you, that's the richest place in the world. You just have to act upon it. Because once you act upon it, you're going to see your whole world change. Don't take your wisdom to the grave. Get over that fear. Start your YouTube channel now. And I'm here to help you. Type in the comment section, #, I'm in. And we can go on this journey together.